Hey Sajjad, long time no see.
Right?
Can you speak English?
Yeah, sure.
Good. How are you doing?
I am fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am doing also well by the grace of Allah. What are you doing?
I am a student of Portugal Golf College. My department name is accounting.
Wow, nice.
What about you?
I am a student of Abdul Karim Mirza College. My department is political science.
Nice.
How many members do you have in your family, Sajjad?
There are 6 members in our family. They are 4 brothers and my mother and my father. What about you?
There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, mother and my elder brother.
Nice.
What does your father do?
My father is a retirement army officer.
Good.
What does your brother do?
My brother, teacher of Qawmi Madrasa.
Nice.
So, where do you live current now?
I live in Portugal at Idberia. What about you?
I grew up Dhaka, but currently I live at Patuakhali.
Nice.
Oh, sounds good. Your English is fluent.
You too.
By the way, where do you learn English?
I learn English, Alif English Academy.
Good. What is your future plan?
I want to be a business cadre.
Great.
What about you?
I want get a good job. Why did you choose it?
Being a business cadre, I will help people.
Good. I'm glad to know about you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.